Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry. First problem, exercise 1. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Look at the figure. A tower stands vertically on the ground. एक टावर है वो ग्राउंड के ऊपर है ఒక टावर ఉంది అది గ్రౌండ్ కి మీద ఉంది from a point which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. What is the height of the tower? From a point which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower, and angle of elevation is 45 degrees given. In हिंदी यहाँ से देख रहे हैं ये फुट ऑफ द टवर तक डिस्टेंस कितना है 15 మీటర్స్ అని తెలుగు ఇక్కడ మనం చూస్తున్నాం ఈ టవర్ కింది వరకు చూస్తే ఎంత 15 మీటర్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చిండు నో యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ ఈజ్ 45 degrees given. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर इज 45 डिग्रीज. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन यहाँ से टावर तक ऊपर टावर तक देखे तो 45 डिग्रीज है. ఇక్కడ నుండి మనం చూస్తున్నాం పైకి టవర్ పైకి చూస్తే ఎంత 45 डिग्रीज యాంగిల్ ఉంది. ఫైండ్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ क्या फाइंड आउट करना టవర్ హైట్ ఎంతో కనుక్కోవాలి. लेट द हाइट ऑफ द टावर बी h. हाइट ऑफ द टावर क्या समझ रहे हम लोग h समझ रहे. हाइट ऑफ द टावर ఏందనుకుంటున్నాం h అనుకుంటున్నాం. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is equal 90 degrees. Now AB is the height of the tower. It is denoted by H. Say now BC is the distance between the point of observation and the foot of the tower is equal 15 meter. They are given. Now angle of elevation is 45 degrees. AB क्या है height of the tower. BC क्या है distance between यहाँ से point of the tower से ऑब्जर्वेशन तक 15 मीटर्स दिए. वहाँ पर एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन क्या है 15 मीटर्स. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ హెచ్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తున్నాం టవర్ కింది వరకు దీన్ని 15 మీటర్స్. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ 45 డిగ్రీస్. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద హైపోటెన్యూస్. లాంగెస్ట్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ హైపోటెన్యూస్ అండ్ hypotenuse beside is called adjacent side. Remember hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side. And the next one is opposite side. Here one more method you can find. Here angle of elevation, you draw one arrow for angle of elevation. This is opposite side and this indicates opposite side, and 90 degrees opposite you draw one arrow. This indicates hypotenuse. Okay, in Hindi ये लॉन्गेस्ट साइड है वो हाइपोटेन्यूस बी साइड क्या है वो एडजेसेंट साइड. दूसरा क्या है अपोजिट साइड. ये एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन को अपोजिट क्या है अपोजिट साइड. ये एरो इंडिकेट्स अपोजिट साइड. ये 90 डिग्रीज को एरो ड्रा करे तो हाइपोटेन्यूस. ఈ లాంగెస్ట్ సైడ్ అనేది హైపోటెన్యూస్. ఈ హైపోటెన్యూస్ బిసైడ్ అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్, ఇంకోటి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్కు యారో డ్రా చేస్తే అది ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది. 90 డిగ్రీస్కు ఆపోజిట్ డ్రా చేస్తే ఇది హైపోటెన్యూస్ అవుతుంది. let AB is the height of the tower is equals to h meters. Next one, distance between the point of observation and the foot of the tower. BC is equal how much? 15 meters given. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower is equals to 45 degrees. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower how much? 45 degrees. Therefore angle of elevation of the top of the tower is equals to 45 degrees given. See here from the figure we will take tan 45 degrees. Why we will take tan 45 degrees means here see we should find opposite side. Tan theta is equal to what? Opposite side by theta by adjacent side to theta. We should find opposite side. we no need to find hypotenuse. If you want to find hypotenuse means what? We should take sine. Sine theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Whereas cos will take means adjacent by hypotenuse. For us no need to find hypotenuse. Therefore what will take? We want to find only opposite side. Therefore we'll take tan theta. In Hindi and Telugu tan theta लेते हैं हम लोग. कई को बोलते हैं opposite side find out करना. Opposite by adjacent side. tan theta తీసుకుంటాం ఎందుకంటే tan theta అంటే ఏంది opposite side by adjacent side. మనకు opposite side కావాలి. See here from the figure, I'll write tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equals to tan 45 is equals to actually tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side theta. Tan 45 degrees is equal to what? Opposite side theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now tan 45 is equals to what? 1. Tan 45 is equals to 1. Now opposite side is equals to, from the figure, opposite side is equals to what? AB. We write in the place of opposite side, I write AB. And adjacent side is equals to, from the figure, adjacent side is equal to what? 15 meters. Right? 15. Sorry, BC right? Offers right numbers. Adjacent side is equals to BC. Now 1 by 1 is equals to AB, where AB is equals to what? We are taking height of the tower is equals to H, say, and BC is equals to distance between the point of observation and the foot of the tower is equal to 15 meters. They are given. We will write here 15 meters. Now by cross multiplication, H is equals to H is equals to 15 meters. Therefore, height of the tower AB is equals to 15 meter. Hence, height of the tower AB H is equals to how much? 15 meters we got. Hence, we proved.